Welcome back. In this lesson, we're focusing on one of the most powerful parts of meal planning success, building lasting healthy habits. Because true change doesn't come from quick fixes or motivation alone, it comes from consistent, repeatable actions that become second nature. Let's start with a key mindset shift. Habits are built, not born. Every healthy person you see didn't just wake up disciplined. They created systems that made good choices easier, and that's exactly what you're going to do. Step 1. Start small. Most people fail because they try to change everything overnight. Instead, focus on 1 or 2 habits that make the biggest difference. For example, drinking more water, eating breakfast daily, or planning meals every Sunday. Once those habits stick, add new ones gradually. Small wins compound into major transformation. Step 2. Use habit stacking. Attach a new habit to something you already do consistently. For instance, while you make your morning coffee, pack your lunch for the day. Or after dinner, prep tomorrow's breakfast. By linking new actions to existing routines, you reduce the mental effort needed to remember them. Step 3. Make it visible. Keep cues in your environment that remind you of your goals. Leave your water bottle on your desk, keep healthy snacks in sight, or post your meal plan on the fridge. What you see most often shapes what you do. Step 4. Design your environment for success. Willpower is limited, but your surroundings are powerful. Remove temptations from easy reach and make the healthy choice the default choice. For example, wash and store fruits at eye level in the fridge and move processed snacks out of sight. Step 5. Track your progress. Use a planner, app, or checklist to mark off each day you stick to your habits. Tracking gives you visual proof of your consistency, and that's motivating. Step 6. Plan for setbacks. Perfection isn't the goal, consistency is. You will have off days, travel, or special events. When that happens, don't quit. Just get back to your plan at the next meal. One bad day doesn't erase your progress. Step 7. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Reward yourself for effort, whether that's hitting your weekly prep goals or drinking enough water. Positive reinforcement strengthens new habits far more than guilt or pressure. Step 8. Focus on identity, not outcome. Instead of saying, I want to eat healthier, start saying, I'm the kind of person who plans my meals and nourishes my body. When your identity aligns with your actions, your habits become who you are, not something you have to force. Step 9. Automate decisions. Simplify your meals, grocery lists, and prep routines so you spend less time thinking and more time doing. The less friction you have, the easier it is to stay consistent. Step 10. Surround yourself with support. Share your goals with friends, family, or an online community. Accountability and encouragement make sticking with habits much easier. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be persistent. Every small action you take builds momentum, rewires your brain, and strengthens your new identity. Here's your quick recap. Start small, stack your habits, track your progress, plan for setbacks, and celebrate every win. Over time, these habits become automatic, and healthy eating stops feeling like work. It becomes a lifestyle. In the next lecture, we'll shift gears and look at the practical side of meal planning. The tools, templates, and organization systems that make the process faster and easier than ever. Let's keep moving forward.